The second winner in this category is from the Guarantees team, Itidal Sabri. Itidal has shown its tremendous team spirit. She not only takes care of her own productivity, but is always ready to help other team members.
اعتذار ابتسامة.
The third winner in this category is Maria Prabhu. He is a good team player and has sailed through with flying colours through personal ownership during challenging times in the last quarter. Thank you, Vidya, Lisa, and Graham for doing the honors. We now move on to the final category of awards, and it is the Employee of the Year Award. These are top performers within their respective teams and have supported their teams exceptionally. These are stars of ETFS. And through this award, we congratulate them for their wonderful work they have done all year through. Guess what?
What?
Every winner in this category gets a mini iPad. Now, to give away this award, I would like to call Vedant, Hessa and Graham for doing the honor.
Guys, the iPad are from me.
That's all. You can give one iPad to Graham and me also.
Okay, the first winner is Abdul Nasser from Guarantees team. He is from the Guarantees team. After taking up the validator's role, he has contributed tremendously in bringing down the team's error rate. He also possesses multi-language skills through which he supports his team in handling varied transactions. The second winner is Mohammad Ali Kokar from Transaction Support Team. He is working as an authenticator. He is multi-skilled authenticator within the team and handles complex transactions. During the year, he has maintained excellent levels of service quality. The third winner is Mohiddin from Admin Support. And single-handedly processes all the manual transactions. He efficiently coordinates with other units of the bank to ensure smooth completion of the day end and end of month activities. What is it? The fourth, Randesh from Imports. He is the assistant manager for the import collection team He is consistent performer, takes ownership, has got multiple customer appreciations during the year for the exceptional service. The fifth winner is Renny Govius, Document Examination Team. Renny has moved into his new role of Senior Document Examiner during the year 2012 and has gone an extra mile to support the team. He is a go-getter and is ready to take on new challenges. So now we saw only the male getting an award. His final award goes to a female, Saida Fatima from Saida moved to the validator role during the tough times and has sailed through with flying colours through personal ownership and has shown tremendous commitment. She also acts as a guide and trainer to the new joinees in the team. Thank you, Vidya, for signing it out. Congratulations to all the winners. And I hope you know the iPads were only given for the photographs to be taken. You can now give them back to me. Just a joke. The floor is now open for any questions. Mr. Bidan, can you please address the audience and say a few words?
Thanks, Geeta. Good evening, everyone. I think it's just fantastic to see the energy. If we had not been here today, I mean, we heard about the talent, we heard about, I used to get the mailer about the cricket team, the bowling team. I was kept teasing Suhail, and apologies, Suhail is not in Dubai, but he would have loved to be here. I kept teasing Suhail's, you know, our ETF team is winning bowling. You claim to be the champion for UAE in bowling, but how come you keep losing? He's saying, no, I can't compete with the team. But the energy that the dancers showed as well as Pramod, that's just fantastic. I think Hessa's been toying with having a competition called Tanveed's Got Talent. We thought we'll do it the last time, but it's still on the plans, right? We thought that CCO would be a runaway winner, given that they have a much younger crowd, but I think they've got a serious competition on their hands. Quick update as in terms of where Tanveed stands today. Right now we are in the process of consolidating the movement into Maidan. So half of OPC has already moved in. The call center from Fahidi is moving in. The units which were in Maidan in the other buildings have moved into our new building. You all need to come and visit the new building. It's as much a part of you all as it is of the people who are working there. It's a nice new environment. I'm sure you'll enjoy it. So please, anytime you should take a look. And team managers, I think we need to do a little bit of orientation visit, see Maidan for all the peoples. We should organize that. So when we do the Maidan movement, we'll be left with 3 sites. Trade ETFs will continue here because it's a fabulous facility, outstanding work being done by you all. The call center will continue in Sharjah, and the rest of the units will be in Maidan. So that's really where we are in terms of organization, but that's for Emirates NBD and EIB. I'm very happy to announce that we've actually signed on our first external client. From 15th of March, we will be managing the call center for RTA. So if you have any problem on the 800 number of, you know who's behind it. So be patient. I'm sure we'll turn that around just like we did for the other units. So that's, I think, the first one. By the end of the month, we should be doing work